Hi everyone, we're going to walk you through the process of using the registration gateway to register a returning student. First, check the paper we sent home with your student. This has your username and password for registering your student. Please note that you will have to log in to register each student separately. Because this is an example, I am just going to type username for the username and password for the password. Your login for your student will look different. Once you key this information in, click Login. Once you are logged in, click on the button that says Back to School Gateway. Be sure to check that you are logged in as the correct student. Here you will see your student's first and last name, and then under Pending it says Your action is needed. That means we are requesting registration information from you. To get started, click on Edit. To begin, click on today's date. Fill out the blank for parent or legal guardian first and last name and suffix if applicable. Continue to fill out the provided blanks. Here it is asking if you would like to update your contact information. Check the box that applies to you. For this example, I am going to select No Change. Now we're at the point where we submit our proofs of residency and other documentation. You can upload multiple documents here, and it doesn't matter under which column you upload them. After we upload our documents, we will click Save and Next. Now we're on the Contacts page. This is where you will add the contact for your student, similar to your emergency contacts. Including this will help us to be able to send multiple school messenger notifications to more than just one single parent. You can add as many contacts as you would like. Once you add your contacts, click Save and Next. Here you will complete additional student information like whether your student rides a bus, do you work for the district, and more. This page is where you'll complete the medical information for your student. Please keep in mind that if you have an incoming 7th grader, they must receive their Tdap immunizations prior to the start of next school year. Once you are finished, click Save and Next. The next step is the Agreements page. You will need to click through each policy in order to make a selection. This is where you will let us know how much internet access your student will have, whether they will be able to have their photo taken, and more. Lastly, you will sign your name electronically to certify that you have read and agreed to the agreements and that the information you have provided is correct. You may sign electronically by typing your name in the box provided. For this example, I'm just going to type your name here is a digital signature. You will need to type in your government name. After you type in your name, check the box and click Save and Next. Here you can download and save a PDF of what you entered for registration. You may continue by clicking Continue. You will see a pop-up that says your work is complete and then you may log out. Now, you may notice that your status has changed to Pending. Following the end of this school year, our schools will begin processing your registration as they prepare for next year. Congratulations, you have completed registration for next school year. If you have multiple students, repeat these steps with your next student's login information. We hope this video clears up any confusion. If you have any questions, please contact your student's school.